Welcome back to Car Explorer. Today, we're taking a full look at the 2025 BMW M4, a car that blends luxury, technology, and raw driving excitement like few others in its class. The M4 has always been about performance, but the 2025 model takes everything to a higher level with refined styling, advanced tech features, and even more capability on the road and track. Right away, the exterior grabs your attention. The front end features BMW's signature kidney grills, which are slightly more streamlined this year, but still make a bold statement. The laser LED headlights are sleeker and more dynamic, offering excellent visibility and a futuristic vibe. The aggressive front bumper with large air intakes not only looks menacing but improves airflow and cooling. Moving along the sides, the M4's low stance and muscular fenders create a wide, powerful profile. You've got forged alloy wheels, 19 inches up front and 20 inches in the back, wrapped in high-performance tires, all contributing to the car's planted, athletic appearance. Out back, the quad exhaust tips and carbon fiber diffuser signal serious performance, and the subtle rear spoiler adds downforce without overdoing the design. Inside, the cabin is a beautiful mix of sport and luxury. Everything is built around the driver, from the M-specific steering wheel to the carbon fiber accents and premium materials. The seats are M-Sport designs, standard with merino leather and excellent support. Or you can go with the optional carbon bucket seats for that true track day feel. The centerpiece is BMW's curved display, which merges a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. It runs the latest iDrive 9 system, offering faster response, voice control, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's ambient lighting, a Harman Kardon sound system, and customizable drive modes, all contributing to a tech-rich and comfortable driving experience. You'll also find useful features like tri-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and a generous amount of interior storage for a performance coupe. Under the hood, the 2025 M4 sticks with the proven 3.00-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, but delivers it in two distinct versions. The standard M4 has 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual for a more involved driving experience. The M4 Competition steps things up with 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those who want maximum grip, the M4 Competition xDrive adds all-wheel drive and drops the 0 to 60 time to just 3.4 seconds. Whether you're launching off the line or carving up a mountain road, this car stays composed and confident. It features adaptive M suspension, a precision-tuned chassis, and an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, all working together to deliver exceptional balance and cornering performance. The M4's driving modes let you tailor the experience to your liking, from smooth and comfortable to aggressive and razor-sharp. The exhaust note has also been refined, delivering a deep growl that reminds you this car is built to perform without being obnoxious during daily use. Braking is equally impressive, especially with the optional carbon ceramic setup designed for serious track use. When it comes to price, the 2025 BMW M4 starts at about $78,000 for the base rear-wheel drive model. The M4 Competition begins around $83,000, and the xDrive all-wheel drive variant pushes the cost closer to $87,000. Add options like performance packages, carbon fiber upgrades, and high-end tech features, and you can quickly reach or even pass the $100,000 mark. But considering what the M4 offers in terms of driving thrill, technology, and refinement,